Galena, Illinois, is a charming town nestled in the rolling hills of the Midwest, known for its rich history, stunning landscapes, and vibrant local culture. Among the many attractions that draw visitors to this picturesque destination stand out as must-visit experiences: Thunder Bay Falls, Fried Green Tomatoes Restaurant, and Galena Cellars Vineyard. This video explores these highlights in detail, providing insights into what makes each location unique and worth visiting. So here's the list of 10 best things to do in Galena, Illinois. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to the channel and comment your favorite place. Here we go. Number 1. Ulysses S. Grant Home. The Ulysses S. Grant Home is a pivotal site in Galena, serving as the residence of the 18th President of the United States and a prominent Civil War general. Built in 1859, this home offers visitors a glimpse into Grant's life before he became a national figure. The house is preserved with many original furnishings and artifacts that reflect the era and Grant's personal history. Visitor experience. Visitors can enjoy a self-guided tour of the home, which showcases various rooms filled with period furniture and memorabilia. Knowledgeable staff provide insights into Grant's life, his military career, and his presidency. The surrounding gardens also offer a picturesque setting for reflection and photography. Educational programs. The site often hosts educational programs that delve deeper into the historical context of Grant's life and the Civil War era. These programs are designed to engage visitors of all ages, making it an excellent stop for families and history enthusiasts alike. Number 2. Galena Trolley Tours. Galena Trolley Tours provide an engaging way to explore the historic district of Galena. The tours are narrated, offering insights into the town's rich history and architectural beauty. Visitors can choose between a 1-hour nonstop tour or a more extensive 2.5-hour tour that includes visits to significant homes like the U.S. Grant Home and Belvedere Mansion. Scenic routes. The trolley rides navigate through Galena's charming streets lined with well-preserved 19th century buildings, allowing passengers to appreciate the town's unique architecture and vibrant atmosphere. The guides share fascinating stories about local lore and notable figures from Galena's past. Accessibility and convenience. The trolley tours are accessible for all ages and provide a convenient way for visitors to see multiple attractions without the need for extensive walking or driving. This makes it an ideal choice for those looking to maximize their time in this historic town. Number 3. Blaum Brothers Distilling Company. Craft Distillery Experience. Blaum Brothers Distilling Company, established by two brothers passionate about craft spirits, offers visitors a unique opportunity to learn about the distillation process firsthand. The distillery produces a variety of spirits including whiskey, vodka, and gin, all made with locally sourced ingredients. Guided tours. Tours typically last about 45 minutes and include an informative overview of the distillation process, from fermentation to bottling. Visitors can witness the equipment used in production and learn about the craftsmanship involved in creating each spirit. Tasting room. Following the tour, guests are invited to participate in a guided tasting session where they can sample different spirits produced on-site. The tasting experience is enhanced by knowledgeable staff who explain flavor profiles and pairings. Number 4. Grant Park. Grant Park is a beautifully landscaped green space located along the banks of the Galena River. Named after Ulysses S. Grant, the 18th President of the United States who lived in Galena during the mid-19th century, the park serves as a reminder of the town's rich history. It features various historical monuments and memorials that honor Grant's legacy and contributions to American history. Features and amenities. Landscaped areas. The park is adorned with colorful flower beds and well-maintained lawns, making it an ideal spot for relaxation and leisure activities. Historic monuments. Visitors can find a statue of Ulysses S. Grant, along with several Civil War-era cannons that provide a glimpse into the past. Recreational facilities. Grant Park includes a pavilion with tables for picnics, a gazebo, a playground for children, and a basketball court. These amenities make it suitable for families and groups looking to enjoy outdoor activities. Scenic views. The The park offers stunning views of the Mississippi River and is connected to downtown Galena via a charming footbridge that crosses the Galena River. This connection allows visitors to easily explore local shops and restaurants after enjoying the park. Number 5. Horseshoe Mound Preserve. Natural beauty and historical significance. Horseshoe Mound Preserve is a nearly 200-acre natural area located just outside Galena. This preserve is not only known for its scenic beauty, but also for its historical significance, as it features an ancient effigy mound built by Native Americans. Features of the preserve. Effigy Mound. The preserve is home to one of the few remaining effigy mounds in Illinois shaped like a horseshoe. This mound is believed to have been constructed by indigenous peoples for ceremonial purposes. Hiking trails. Horseshoe Mound offers several hiking trails that wind through lush landscapes filled with native plants and wildlife. These trails provide opportunities for birdwatching and enjoying nature at its finest. Observation Point. Atop Horseshoe Mound lies an observation point that offers panoramic views of the surrounding countryside, including vistas of Galena itself and the rolling hills beyond. This spot is particularly popular for photography and enjoying sunsets. Number 6. Dowling House. The Dowling House is one of Galena's oldest surviving structures, built in 1826 by John Dowling, an Irish immigrant who became one of the town's prominent figures. This historic house provides insight into early 19th century life in Galena during its mining boom. Features of Dowling House. Restored architecture. The house has been meticulously restored to reflect its original appearance from the mid-1800s. Visitors can explore various rooms that showcase period furnishings and artifacts from that era. Guided tours. The Dowling House offers guided tours that delve into its history, including stories about early settlers in Galena and the mining industry that shaped the town's development. Knowledgeable guides share engaging anecdotes that bring history to life. Cultural significance. As one of the few remaining structures from Galena's early days, the Dowling House serves as a tangible link to the past. It highlights the town's rich heritage and provides context for its growth during a pivotal time in American history. Number 7. Thunder Bay Falls. Thunder Bay Falls is a stunning waterfall located just a short drive from downtown Galena. This picturesque site features a 40-foot waterfall cascading from the spillway of Lake Galena, creating a serene and beautiful environment that attracts nature lovers and photographers alike. The falls are easily accessible via a short, well-maintained trail, making it an ideal spot for visitors looking to enjoy the outdoors without extensive hiking. Getting there. Located approximately 10 minutes from downtown Galena, Thunder Bay Falls can be reached by following Thunder Bay Road. There is a small parking area at the trailhead where visitors can leave their vehicles before embarking on the short walk to the falls. The path is suitable for all ages, making it a great destination for families. What to do at Thunder Bay Falls? Photography. The waterfall provides an excellent backdrop for photography. With its flowing water and surrounding greenery, it's a perfect spot for capturing nature's beauty. Picnicking. While there are no designated picnic areas at the falls, visitors often bring snacks to enjoy while taking in the sights and sounds of the waterfall. Relaxation. The gentle sound of rushing water creates a peaceful atmosphere, making it an ideal place to unwind and escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Number 8. Fried Green Tomatoes. Fried Green Tomatoes is a beloved restaurant located in downtown Galena that offers a delightful dining experience with a focus on Southern cuisine. The restaurant's name pays homage to the classic Southern dish made from unripe tomatoes that are sliced, breaded, and fried until crispy. Ambience and decor. The restaurant features a warm and inviting atmosphere with rustic decor that reflects the charm of Galena. The interior is adorned with local art and photographs that celebrate the town's history and culture. Outdoor seating is available during warmer months, allowing guests to enjoy their meals al fresco while soaking in the vibrant surroundings. Menu highlights. Fried Green Tomatoes offers a diverse menu that showcases Southern-inspired dishes made from fresh, locally sourced ingredients. Some highlights include fried green tomatoes, a must-try appetizer served with remoulade sauce, shrimp and grits, a classic southern dish featuring succulent shrimp served over creamy grits. Pulled pork sandwich, slow-cooked pork served on a bun with house-made barbecue sauce. Seasonal specials. The menu frequently changes to incorporate seasonal ingredients and flavors. Number 9. Galena Cellars Vineyard. Galena Cellars Vineyard is an award-winning winery located just outside of Galena. Nestled in the scenic hills of the Driftless region, this vineyard produces a variety of wines crafted from grapes grown on-site, as well as sourced from other vineyards across Illinois and beyond. Wine tasting experience. Visitors to Galena Cellars can enjoy guided wine tastings, where they can sample a selection of wines produced at the vineyard. The tasting room offers an inviting atmosphere where guests can learn about the winemaking process while savoring different varieties. Some popular wines include Chardonnay, a crisp white wine with notes of apple and citrus. Cabernet Sauvignon, a full-bodied red wine with rich flavors of dark fruit and oak. Sweet Red, a fruity wine that appeals to those who prefer sweeter options. Tours and events. Galena Cellars also offers tours of the vineyard where guests can explore the grounds and learn about grape growing and winemaking techniques. Throughout the year, the winery hosts various events including wine pairing dinners, live music performances, and seasonal festivals that celebrate local culture and community. Number 10. Old Blacksmith Shop. The Old Blacksmith Shop is one of Galena's most historic sites, showcasing the town's rich heritage in metalworking and craftsmanship. Originally built in 1845 by blacksmith John R. McCoy, this shop played a vital role in supporting local industries during Galena's mining boom. Historical significance. The blacksmith shop served not only as a place for metal work, but also as a community gathering spot where locals would come to have tools repaired or custom pieces made. Today, it stands as a testament to Galena's industrial past and is preserved as part of the town's historical narrative. What to see inside? Visitors can explore various exhibits that highlight traditional blacksmithing techniques, as well as tools used throughout history. Demonstrations may be offered during certain times of the year, allowing guests to witness skilled artisans at work creating metal pieces using age-old methods. Visitor experience. A visit to the Old Blacksmith Shop provides insight into Galena's history while showcasing craftsmanship that has been passed down through generations. It's an educational stop that appeals to history buffs and families alike who are interested in learning about local heritage. The last word. So, guys, this was the best list of things to do in Galena, Illinois. Hope you will like it and appreciate it. People who come to this city are amazed by all of the awesome things there are to do and see. Each location offers unique insights into both natural beauty and historical significance, making them essential stops for anyone visiting this charming town. Whether you're enjoying a peaceful afternoon at Grant Park, hiking through Horseshoe Mound Preserve while taking in breathtaking views, or stepping back in time at Dowling House, your experience in Galena will be enriched by these remarkable sights. Together, they showcase the essence of what makes Galena not just a destination, but a journey through history and nature. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icons for latest upcoming travel videos. Bye-bye, see you.